Hey everyone, Martha Warrener here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bankruptcy Basics. Today I'm talking about some common bankruptcy myths that I see online all the time. I've been a California bankruptcy attorney for over 40 years. Trust me, I have heard every myth in the book. So let's go through them one by one and get you the facts. Myth number 1. I will lose my home and my car if I file Chapter 7. This one is mostly wrong, but a lot of it depends on where you live and how much equity you have in your home. There are federal exemptions and state exemptions. Some states like California have a very generous homestead exemption. Most people who file Chapter 7 are able to protect all of their assets. Myth number 2, I will never be able to buy a house. That word never is the real problem. Most lenders will not approve you for at least 2 years after discharge, but it's definitely going to be possible for you to buy a home again if you can save for a down payment. Bankruptcy delays home ownership. It does not end it. Myth number 3, my credit will be ruined forever. First, it's probably already pretty bad, and nothing lasts forever, including a damaged credit score. A Chapter 7 can stay on your report for up to 10 years, and a Chapter 13 for up to 7, but they often come off earlier than that. As you rebuild your credit, things improve much faster than most people expect. People also ask, how do I rebuild my credit after bankruptcy? Rebuilding depends on your habits. Learn to live on cash. Avoid credit repair agencies. They're usually scams. Don't apply for too many credit cards at once. If you need a car, you may get financing, but expect a higher rate. Start with a secured credit card. Use buy now, pay later services wisely. Pay your balances each month and use your card regularly. These steps build a new positive payment history. Myth number 5, the trustee will take my tax refund. Maybe. It depends on timing and exemptions. Your refund should be listed as an asset if you haven't yet received it. If you file at the end of the calendar year, more of it might be at risk than if you file mid-year. One option is to wait until after you receive and spend your refund, or adjust your withholdings so that you don't get a large refund at all. Chapter 13 works differently, and refunds can go towards planned payments. Myth number 6, I'll lose my job if I file for bankruptcy. No, the Bankruptcy Code protects you. Employers cannot fire or demote you just because you filed. This also applies to people who already have security clearances. If you're applying for a clearance, that can be more complicated, but bankruptcy itself is not grounds for termination. Myth number 7, can I go to jail for lying? Possibly, if it is intentional fraud. Forgetting to list something can usually be fixed by amending your schedules. But hiding assets is very serious. Trustees investigate when creditors raise concern, although most creditors are simply being vindictive. But review very carefully everything before you sign your paperwork. All right, that's it. 7 bankruptcy myths explained. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more straightforward guidance on bankruptcy, debt, and rebuilding your financial life. If you are considering bankruptcy or simply want clarity on your options, you can schedule a free half-hour consultation by calling me at 760-409-7705 or emailing me at martha@bankruptcysage.com. You'll also find the contact information in the references below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.